I'm Jeff Leal from Subaru of London. Please listen closely to what you'll hear in the next 60 seconds.
My name is Meg Field. I'm a typical teenager, but I've been through something that no one should have to experience. 3.5 years ago, my 17-year-old brother Josh crashed his car when he reached for his ringing cell phone and lost control. He suffered a catastrophic head injury and was declared brain dead when he reached the hospital. What bothers me most, then and now, is that Josh didn't have to die. If only his cell phone hadn't rung. If only he hadn't tried to answer it.
To honor Josh's memory, Meg and her parents are reaching out to help raise awareness of the dangers of distracted driving through the Josh Field Support Network. If you're a high school teacher, contact us at Subaru of London or Bob FM, and we will arrange a class presentation.
Josh's story can help save lives, and I'm so proud to be able to share it.
And we're pleased to continue to drive home the message, drop it and drive. We're Subaru of London and 102.3 Bob FM.